The Pentest-Tools website vulnerability scanner can also handle authentication in multiple ways. The first option is to record the authentication and upload the Selenium file. Recorded authentication captures user actions during the login process using Selenium. This is particularly useful for dynamic web pages requiring complex interactions. Here is how to set it up. Download and install the Selenium IDE plugin for your browser. Start a new project in the Selenium IDE. Navigate to your application's login page and record the steps you take to log in. Once the login process is recorded, save the script as a .side file. Next, go to the website scanner settings. Select Recorded as the authentication method, click Upload and select the Selenium script you saved. Use the Check Authentication button to ensure the process was recorded correctly. After uploading and validating, you can start your vulnerability scan. The scanner will use the recorded script to log in and perform an authenticated scan, providing a comprehensive security assessment. The second option is to use the automatic login, where you have to input the username, password, and the login URL so that the scanner can fill in the login form. The last option is to input either cookies or headers that will be used for all the scanner's requests. You can set up a notification to get a message when the scan is finished, either via email or to Microsoft Teams or Slack. These use cases show how versatile a website vulnerability scanner can be, providing valuable insights and helping with cybersecurity maintenance and compliance.